Bree the Plant Lady. Today I am starting phase 2 of garden deconstruction. I'm going to remove all the soil from this bed, put it on this side, take away this pathway, which will allow my figs to be able to grow significantly larger and I won't have to prune them anymore. I've harvested almost all of the sprouting broccoli already, but I might go ahead and transplant this just in case I can get a few more harvestable pieces off of it. In place of this garden bed, I'm going to put down 3 of these big root pouch bags, which is currently sprouting a Sophia cat. These are awesome because this will allow me to not have the nematodes get into the bed, so I'll be able to grow my favorite crops year round. Now I have 3 of these to be able to put in this space, and I will create a new walkway adjacent to the greenhouse. So stay tuned for all my progress. I wanted to give you a quick update as I'm about halfway through my deconstruction project today. Now, one thing, generally you don't want to layer soil or mulch on the trunk of any trees. In my case, figs can be the exception. These will actually root into the soil that I'm placing around their base, and I'll have stronger figs than I've ever had before. Well, I'd say that was a good workout for today. I've got the soil moved from this bed. I've built a really nice raised bed here. This would be an ideal area for me to start stashing bottles and make a new raised bottle wall. And as things dry out, I'll have an opportunity to put Chapel Hill grit down here, and then I'll be able to get my new root pouch bags up and running and planted for the next season.